Life is an interesting journey. You never know where it'll take you. Peaks and valleys, twists and turns. You can get the surprise of your life. Yeah, it's my dilemma. But you need to be thankful for the life you got, you know what I'm saying? Stop looking at what you ain't got, start being thankful for what you do got. Let's get it to him, baby girl. Hey, that's right.
He made me cook those. The internet was ever good, honestly. I don't know how to be the same guy I was before. These matches with pictures. Can you not tell the difference? Nah. I mean, there's quite a difference. Even where she was. Make sure that it's... I had cereal this morning. I think I'll be over. Cocoa Pops chicks, bro. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, Stian and I, we're climbing up a mountain and gonna go check out a waterfall. Gone wrong, gone emotional. Gone emotional. Gone sexual. Oh, what? What do you mean by that? Yeah, just put our shocked faces like... First person to reach the top gets $1,000 to do like honours. Yeah. So it's like, well fuck. Could be cool. What did happen? Do you have a water break? Yeah, because you don't have a bladder. Damn. Pretty good cloud. Pretty good cloud, aye. Pretty cool cloud. It's actually just covering the whole mountain. Fucking hell. You might. I'll try to zoom in on it. Oh, that's a beautiful cloud. Dude, it actually just looks weird, like the whole mountain's just black and everything else is bright. Fuck off me. Hawk tour! Beauty. Oh. Oh shit. Hello. That's what you get. No, that wasn't me. That's what you get. I still want you. That's muddy. Some really cool rock formation there, but That's hot as shit, bro.